Bigfoot audio test. All right. So basically, if you are just tuning in, what you missed is that we've got a big hurricane coming. We got a big one coming. Favorable wind shear for development over all of the Yucatan Peninsula. We've got favorable development in between the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. We've got Hurricane Helene. Well, it's still Tropical Storm Helene, but we're looking at it's going to become a hurricane by tomorrow at 2 p.m. This is all of our satellite floaters. These are the satellites that are launched to like pin themselves to a hurricane. Like as the hurricane develops, they are just loose up there, and the National Weather Service can pin them to a certain storm. This is the one that's following Helene. You can kind of see the development of an eye right there. This is where the convection convergence was. If we get that convection stacked vertically with where the surface eye is happening, that's when we're going to get the best hurricane development. We're still a tropical storm because those two layers are kind of skewed. And so it's like a sideways tube from the surface to the top where the two spirals are. Once those, and they will overlap each other and we get a nice vertical stack, this is going to be like a layered cake that has aligned perfectly, and we're going to get a really good healthy storm. As you can see, the surface winds are going counterclockwise, and we've got some degree of clockwise winds at the top, but we're looking mostly counterclockwise, which is cyclonic direction of rotation. What else did I want to say? Volcanoes, there's not much going on with our volcanoes today. Not too much going on with our earthquakes either. Not much new in the planetary weather. We do have some elevated solar. We do have some elevated solar wind, and interplanetary magnetic field strength is strengthened, but the direction is slightly south. So the direction being slightly south means it's pretty favorable for aurora activity. So, but it's not very favorable. Like, we're not counting on anything big. There was also a really cool coronal mass ejection today that kind of launched at the southeastern quadrant of the sun. And let's just go ahead and show that one again because it was really pretty. That was on SOHO coronagraph imagery. And it's going to be towards the end here. So I'll go ahead and skip forward to it. Okay, and this star that you see rotating into view, that's Mercury. And yeah, that's the big current mass ejection that we're looking at today. It says 3 discrete events on the CME's recording, but it's all one big thing. What else did I want to say? Oh yeah, still not got Schumann resonance data right now. Let's take a look at our composite map. Do we have frontal analysis? Yeah, this is our mid-latitude cyclone, our troughing that is currently gonna interact with Hurricane Helene, which is forming down there. This trough is what's gonna make the hurricane move side to side, back and forth as it approaches the Florida coast. So it's not just going to be a straight shot into Tallahassee. It's going to look like the hurricane may change its path, but that's been forecast the whole time. We've had a forecast the whole time of expecting like a wobble in the path. Let me get to, where's the spaghetti models again? Oh, I think that was on Tropical Tidbits and I closed it. Oh, here's one. Okay, as you can see, it's going to go like a little bit closer to the tip of the peninsula in Mexico, then curve towards Florida, and then that curving towards Florida, that after the Yucatan Peninsula tip, That is because of the troughing down kind of pushing this eastward, but the hurricane is going to be stronger than the trough. So once the trough passes, then the hurricane will take over its own will again, and is currently forecast to curve more into Tennessee, but some models have taken it closer to coastal Carolina. And of course, this is just where the eye of the hurricane is, and all of the southeastern coastline is going to get battered pretty hard. The Gulf Coast of Florida is going to get it the worst, but pretty much everywhere in Florida is going to get it bad. So if you are in the southern Appalachian Mountains, if you are anywhere in the deep south, not only did we have some severe flash flooding today, but all weekend it is probably going to rain every day, and a lot of it. We're looking at 6 to 10 inches before it's all said and done. 6 to 10 inches of rain is a lot. That's way more than of snow. Okay. Did I say everything I wanted to say? I think that's all I wanted to say for today's update. Again, I need to go back and edit this broadcast because I think my mic was fucking up at the beginning. So cool. We'll just have some really short ones for a few days while I get the new studio set up working. All right, that's it for today. I'm gonna head out. Thanks for tuning in to today's weather tonight. I'll be with you tomorrow, hopefully when we have Hurricane Helene heading towards the Gulf Coast. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.